Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a fantastic sensor that you can frequently use in your motion detection projects, the MPU6050. This sensor combines an accelerometer and a gyroscope in one versatile module, and also has the capability to measure temperature. Let's get started. The MPU6050 includes both a 3-axis accelerometer and a 3-axis gyroscope. This means it can detect movement and rotation on the X, Y, and Z axes. Additionally, it has a built-in temperature sensor, which allows it to measure the temperature. It is commonly used in drones, robotic applications, and motion tracking systems. Let's go over some important technical specifications of the MPU. Now let's look at how to connect the MPU6050 module to an Arduino. Here are the materials you'll need. Arduino Uno, MPU6050. Module jumper wires. Connect the pins as follows. Connect the VCC pin to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Connect the G&D pin to the G&D pin on the Arduino. Connect the SCL pin to the A5 pin on the Arduino. Connect the SDA pin to the A4 pin on the Arduino. Open the Arduino IDE and install the necessary library. We'll use the MPU 6050 library. To install the library, click on the Sketch menu. Go to Include Library, click on Manage Libraries, type MPU 6050 in the search box, and install the relevant library. Now let's write a simple code to read the sensor data. This code reads accelerometer, gyroscope, and temperature data from the MPU 6050 and displays it on the serial monitor. Curious about what you can do with the MPU 6050? Here are a few examples. Stabilizing drones, virtual reality (VR) applications, balance control in robots, motion tracking devices, temperature-based applications. The MPU 6050 is a powerful and versatile sensor that you can use in your projects. In this video, we learned about its basic features, how to connect it, and how to use it. We also covered its temperature measurement capability. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. See you in the next videos. Bye.